Today, we're going to build a military helicopter using 5 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 hinge plate with one locking finger over here on the back and a 1x2 plate. And I'm going to put the back stud of my 1x2 plate into the front bottom of my 1x2 hinge plate like this. And that's just going to kind of give it a little bit of a divot here to make this look like the propeller or the back tail of my helicopter. And now on the front, I've got the stud sticking out from my 1x2 plate. I'm going to get a cheese wedge slope in translucent black to have it sloping from down in front up towards the back to create the cockpit of our helicopter. And now it's not quite even over here. You've got that down divot, so we're going to, a 1x1 plate, put it right behind our cheese wedge slope like this, and you kind of got it more flush and even. And now it's time to put on that top rotor blade, and to do that we're going to do a 2x2 inverted radar dish and just put it right there on top of that 1x1 plate to have it look like the rotors are spinning on this helicopter. And here we've got a nice little micro military helicopter ready to fight any micro enemies.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.